Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Just bringing you another concept with one of my handmade candles. I got these carriages off of Temu and the pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. I also got the vessel for this from the Dollar Tree. And then using wax and spices and so on and so forth, I made a cinnamon spiced vanilla candle. And this is just another way that I present my candles. And just remember, when you're doing fairs and festivals, a lot of times they require that you have handmade items on your table. So these are some of the handmade items that I bring with me to those festivals, along with my baskets, so that I am in compliance with the event. Please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.